morning children. Today I'm going to show you all my kitchen garden. Okay, so I have grown in my kitchen garden potatoes, tomatoes and chilies. So I'll start with tomatoes. Okay, so you can see one tiny plant here. So there are 1, 2, 3 plants of tomatoes and one more right there. So we have grown tomatoes here. So children, you can see tomatoes here. There are 2 tomatoes and the flowers. So from where tomatoes come out? From the flowers. So first the flower will bloom and behind that you can see the tomatoes coming out. I'll show you the small one here. See, it's coming out. A very tiny one like this, if you can show. It's the tiny one here. Yes, it's difficult to take the picture, children. Alright, so you can see the tomatoes which is growing on the plant. Okay, so now I'll show you the difference between the vegetables, potatoes and tomatoes. So tomatoes grow on a plant, okay, where you see hanging, but here when you see, I'll just take this out, the potatoes are grown under the soil. Okay, so if you see this is one potato which had sprouts on it. Now you can see the tiny leaves have come out from the nodules. I'll show you what it is, and the plant has come upward, if you can see. Okay children, now one important thing, potatoes are not grown from the root, it is a stem plant. So if you see here, see the plant has a stem and the stem has grown into one potato. You can see the potato and the web of roots which keeps the potato intact under the soil. So you will never be able to see potatoes growing on a plant because it is underground vegetable, and when you see tomatoes, they grow on the plant. So this is underground vegetable and this is grown on a plant. Okay children, so if you want to grow potatoes, you need to have this kind of potato which has gone sprouts. Okay, these are the sprouts which has come out, and you can see if your tiny leaves are coming out of it. What you have to do is find out this kind of vegetable or potato if you have in your kitchen, and put it in the soil and put it in a place where there is air, water and sunlight, and it will grow on its own. And now I'll show you some chilies. If you can see the tiny chilies, it looks so wonderful, you know. So these are beautiful chilies. When you can see, you can. So now I have potatoes, tomatoes and chilies, so I can make nice curry out of it. And you all also can try potting a plant and pour water and put it in a place, in a window sill where you can get sunlight and air, and you can see your vegetables growing. Bye.